Hello everyone, welcome to your home Touchwood Bliss. The purpose of this bite is very simple, to just let the world know what we believe about wellness at Touchwood Bliss, which means eternal happiness. Normally when people visit any resort or any property, they are very happy. They enjoy a lot when they are at the property. The moment they leave the property and start their regular work, the stress starts catching up. We just thought, isn't it possible to communicate our belief to our client and they can be blissful even if they are leaving the property? I personally have got that experience that it is possible in my trip to Himalaya in trekking in 2016, and that is where the concept of bliss came into our mind. A simple concept came into our mind, what we call as tree of life or the wellness tree. Just to explain that concept in very simple way, just imagine this tree. It doesn't matter how strong the storm comes, but because the roots are grounded in the earth very deep, any type of storm cannot shake that tree. Similarly, in our personal life, spiritual wellness is our roots. Just consider the next part of the tree, which is trunk. Similar to the trunk, if we talk about our personal life, emotional wellness is our trunk. It doesn't matter who is the person which is in front of you, and it doesn't matter which situation you are in. If your emotional wellness is good, you can handle any situation in your life. And the third part of the tree is the branches, which actually bears all the fruits and the flowers. Physical wellness is the branches part of it when it comes to the human life. In the personal well-being, if the spiritual wellness, emotional wellness and then the physical wellness, all the three wellness aspects are strong, prosperity, peace of mind, happiness is given, and that is what we call bliss in our resort. Now, whatever we have discussed is a theoretical discussion, but we want all our guests to take this message with them. So just to summarize in a nutshell, Touchwood Bliss is all about nature-inspired wellness on one side and homely hospitality on the other side. I hope you have liked our concept, but as it is evolving concept, and together let us make a holistic wellness as a concept which is mainly inspired by nature instead of wellness which is inspired by luxury. We hope that all our patrons, all our guests would love this concept, and we would like to take this on the world level. Thank you very much for your time.